Dear friends, today I'll be talking about a very important concept in cost accounting, especially in inventory management, economic ordering quantity. So dear friends and students, you know that in the total current assets of an organization or a business enterprise, the sheer size of the current assets will be in the form of inventory. Therefore, the management of inventory is very important for an organization. So dear friends, there are certain puzzles or issues, central issues in inventory management, like what to purchase, when an order should be placed, the timing of new order, what should be the order size, or what should be the reordering quantity. So when you order, we need to decide the timing of the order, and when we order, what should be the quantity to be ordered, and from where to purchase. All these are very important issues in inventory management. Among these issues, we are going to focus on one central issue: how much should be the order size. When inventory is replenished or when inventory is added, what should be the size of the order, or what should be the reordering quantity? That is the issue we are going to discuss in this particular session. So dear students, the answer is when you place a new order, the size of the order should be, or the reordering quantity should be, the economic ordering quantity, or EOQ. Your order size should be the economic ordering quantity. Now, what is this economic ordering quantity? It is the size of the inventory which is most economical for the organization to procure and hold. It is the most economical lot size for the organization to procure and hold. That simply means that if our reordering quantity is economic ordering quantity, then your total cost will be less. Your total cost will be less. So we'll understand this concept with a very simple example. So let us consider the case of a household named Mr. Ramesh. Suppose that his annual need for rice is 800 kilograms. To put it very simply, his annual consumption of rice is 800 kilograms. So he needs 800 kilograms of rice for consumption in a year. Okay, I'm not talking about the value. I'm talking about the quantity he needs, 800 kilograms. Okay, so in this connection, there are three costs. One is cost of rice. One is the cost of rice, that means the unit price of rice. If it is 100, definitely the 800 into 100, 80,000 will be the cost, material cost, or the cost of the rice. Okay, the other thing is ordering cost. If he procures this 800 kilograms of rice at one purchase or in one purchase, so his ordering cost will be very less. He needs to go and buy the rice from the market, and he has to come back. So that is the ordering cost. So from the point of view of an organization, this ordering cost means the company has to place an order. So there will be a cost. The company has to process that order. The company has to follow up the thing with the vendor. And the company has to receive the consignment. The company has to check the quality. So those things are there. So from a business organization's point of view, these are the ordering costs. For Ramesh's case, suppose that it is 100. In order to purchase this 800 kilograms of rice, he has to incur an ordering cost of rupees 100. Otherwise, we call ordering cost as placement cost also. So the placement cost is rupees 100. Okay, and the one cost is obviously the price of the rice. The second one is ordering cost, and the third one is called the carrying cost or storage cost. Storage cost. So when we purchase 800 kilograms of rice, if the price is rupees 100, we have to pay rupees 80,000. So this 80,000 has an interest cost. I mean the opportunity cost. Had Ramesh invested this 80,000 in a bank, he would have earned some interest. So when we purchased 800 kilograms of rice, we paid rupees 80,000 to the supplier. So we have an opportunity cost in the form of foregone interest. So that is there. And the other thing, we have to store it. So definitely the storage cost will be there. From the point of view of a business organization, the storage cost will be like the warehouse rent, and the insurance, the other storage cost. Like there will be chance of theft, obsolescence. All these losses or the costs can be included in storage cost. Suppose that this storage cost is rupees 4 per kilogram per annum. Suppose that it is 4. Okay. If Ramesh purchases 800 in bulk, that means he has to incur huge carrying cost, because the carrying cost per unit is rupees 4. So he has to incur the storage cost for this 800 units. Okay, but he has to incur only rupees 100 for ordering this 800 kilograms of rice. So if he purchases this 800 kilograms in bulk, his ordering cost will be just 100. But his carrying cost will be very high. If you should understand that the carrying cost will not be applied to this 800 kilograms, because he purchased 800 kilograms at the beginning. That means after that he will be consuming it, so its quantity will come down. So he will be carrying only the average inventory. That means 800 divided by 2, so 400. So the carrying cost will be applied to this 400 units, 400 kilograms. So the carrying cost will be 400 into 4, 1600. So 1600 will be his carrying cost. His ordering cost is rupees 100. Suppose that he orders 400 kilograms of rice. So there will be 2 orders. So what about the ordering cost? Ordering cost will be 200. Then what about the carrying cost? 400 divided by 2, 200. 200 into 4, 800. So here 800 is the carrying cost. It came down from 1600 to 800. At the same time, ordering cost went high. So you can understand that the carrying cost and the ordering cost are having an inverse relationship. Okay, so with these are the 3 costs: the price of the material or rice, ordering cost, and the carrying cost. So when we calculate the economic ordering quantity, you ignore the price of the material, because it is same. It is same for what 800 units or 400 units or 200 units. It is same. So therefore we can ignore the price of the material or the material cost. We can concentrate only on these costs, ordering cost and the carrying cost. So now I am going to draw a table showing these costs. Suppose that the order size is 800. If the order size is 800, the number of orders will be 1, because the annual consumption is 800. We order 800, then we need only 1 order. So the total ordering cost will be rupees 100. What will be the average quantity we hold? Q by 2, that is 400. Okay, 400 into 4, 1600. So the carrying cost is 1600. 100 is the ordering cost. So the total cost will be 1700. Now suppose that the quantity ordered is 400 kilograms. Then we need 2 orders. 800 divided by 400. 2 orders. The total ordering cost will be 200. Because per order, 1 order cost is 100. So for 2 orders, 200. Okay. Then what will be the average quantity? Average quantity is 200. The 200 into 4, 800. So the total carrying cost is 800. 200 is the ordering cost. So the total cost will be 1000. Now we consider 200 units. So there will be 4 orders. The total ordering cost will be 400. Average quantity 100. 400 will be the total carrying cost. The total cost will be 800. Now again 100 units. 8 orders, 800. Average quantity 50. The total cost, total carrying cost 200. The total cost will come to 1000. And consider another case, 50 units. If it is 50 units, you need 16 orders. So the total ordering cost will be 1600. Average quantity 25. So the total carrying cost will be 100. The total cost will be 1700. So dear students, so the total cost will be at its minimum when you order 200 units. 200 units. At 200 units, the total cost is only 800. So the most economical order size is 200. And this 200 is known as economic ordering quantity. This 200 is known as economic ordering quantity. At this level, the total cost is at its minimum. Now, dear students, if you see the table, at 200 units, the total ordering cost and the total carrying cost are equal. The total carrying cost is 400. Total ordering cost is also 400. You can see from the table. Okay. So the economic ordering at economic ordering quantity, the total ordering cost is equal to total carrying cost. Okay. Now we are going to derive a formula from this logic. Total ordering cost is equal to total carrying cost. Dear students, suppose that how many orders are there? How many orders? How to calculate the number of orders? Annual consumption divided by quantity to be ordered. If we order 800 kilograms, there will be one order. So annual usage is 800. So the order size is also, the quantity ordered is also 800. So the number of orders is equal to 1. If you order 400 units, you need to order. So how did you find out the number of orders? A divided by Q. If Q is the order size, A divided by Q. And how will you find out the ordering cost? A divided by Q into O. In other words, AO divided by Q. AO divided by Q is the ordering cost. And when we come to the carrying cost, you know that we are carrying only the average inventory. So that means Q by 2. Q by 2. Q by 2 into C. Q by 2 into C. That means QC divided by 2. QC divided by 2. So that means AO divided by Q is equal to QC divided by 2. Cross multiply. When we cross multiply, you can solve like this. Q square, right? Q square C is equal to 2AO. Q square C is equal to 2AO. Then Q square is equal to 2AO divided by C. Q is equal to root of 2AO divided by C. So this is so we found out Q. Q is the economic ordering quantity. So EOQ is equal to root of 2AO divided by C. When you substitute the figures in the question, 2 into 800 into 100 divided by 4. When you find out the root, you will get 200 units. So this is the logic of the formula of EOQ. EOQ is equal to root of 2AO divided by C, where A is the annual consumption. Remember, it is the quantity. O, ordering cost per order. And finally, C is the carrying cost per unit per annum. So this is the concept of EOQ, a very important issue in inventory management. Thank you.